Okay, and 011, 011, which initiate shift left, logical shift left of accumulator content. Logical shift left of accumulator content is nothing but one bit shifted to the left side. Okay, one bit shifted to the left side. Leftmost bit will be lost, and 0 will be inserted at the rightmost bit position. That is the logical shift left. Similarly, if in F3, the F3 is 100, which initiate logical shift rate of AC. Symbol is SHR. One bit shifted to the right side. Okay, and 101 INC PC, nothing but increment PC. If it is, the F3 field is 101, which initiate which operation? PC plus 1. Increment the PC by 1 and send the results to PC. And 110 AR to PC. AR content is transmitting to PC. And 111 is reserved for future purpose. Okay, that's about definition of F1, definition of the F2 and F3. Now we'll see what is the definition of CD field. The length of the CD field is 2-bit. In the micro operation, so far we have seen F1, F2, F3. Coming to conditional field, the length of the conditional field is 2 bits. 2 bits means how many combinations are possible? 4 combinations. First combination 0, 0. What is the condition? First of all, conditional field provides the condition for branch field. Okay, so if the conditional field is 0, 0, condition is always 1, always true. 1 means always true. This symbol is U. These symbols are used in symbolic microprograms, symbolic micro instructions. What is U? Always 1 is nothing but unconditional branch. Unconditional branch. There is no condition. Always true. Always 1. If the conditional field is 0, 1, the condition is based on DR of 15. What is DR of 15? In instruction code DR of 15, the leftmost bit is mode bit. I mode bit. If it is 0, direct addressing mode. If it is 1, indirect addressing mode. Say symbol is I. Okay, if it is equal to 0, direct addressing. If it is equal to an indirect, so indirect address bit. Next, if it is next combination is 1 0 1 0. Here condition is based on leftmost bit of the, that means sign bit of the accumulator. The sign bit of the accumulator is AC of 15. If it is 0, condition is false. If it is equal to 1, condition is true. Sign bit of AC. If S is equal to 0, accumulator is content is positive. That means AC of 15 is equal to 0, accumulator content is positive. If AC of 15 is equal to 1, accumulator content is negative. Here condition is negative. S is equal to 1 is true, S is equal to true, S is equal to 0 is equal to false. Okay, comment is sign bit of AC. Next, last combination of conditional field is 1 1. That means the condition is AC content 0 or not. If AC content 0, condition is false. If AC content is not equal to 0, AC is equal to 0. If AC content is equal to 0, that means condition is true. If AC content not is equal to 0, condition is false. At the point, if AC is equal to 0, if accumulator content is equal to 0, then 0 flag is equal to 1. If AC content not is equal to 0, then Z is equal to 0. Okay, it's a 0 value in AC. 0 value in AC is nothing but condition is true. Okay, so this conditional field provides the condition for branch. Okay, next coming to branch field length is 2 bits. 4 combinations are possible. First combination 0 0, which defines jump instruction. Symbol is jump. These symbols are used in symbolic microprograms. These codes are used in binary microprograms. And jump 0 0 defines jump instruction. When condition, if condition is equal to 1, in the condition field, what are the possibility of condition field? These 4 possibilities. If the condition is equal to 1, AD, the present micro instruction address field content is transmitted to CR. Okay, it has taken branch. Okay, if condition is equal to 1, it will take the branch. Okay, if the condition is equal to 0, if the condition is equal to false, control goes in the sequence. It cannot take the branch. That means control goes in the sequence is nothing but CR plus 1 to CR. Whatever the next instruction in the sequence, that will be executed. Okay, if condition is equal to 0, that means CR plus 1 to CR. If condition is equal to 1, address field is the next address of the micro instruction. Okay, coming to next combination 0 1. If it is 0 1, which defines call subroutine. If the call is success, that That means if condition is equal to 1, if condition is equal to nothing, if condition is equal to 1, then only call is success. If the call is success, address field, the address field content is moving to transmitting to copying, transmitting to CR. That is the starting address of the subroutine. Before control going to starting address of the subroutine, the return address of the subroutine must be stored in the which register? SBR, subroutine register. What is the return address? CR plus 1. Call is the call. After call statement, what is the whatever the address of the next call statement, that is the return address. So here return address is CR plus 1. CR plus 1 is the return address. For example, the call instruction, this instruction address is 20. What is the next instruction address? 20 plus 1, 21. 21 is the return address. After execution of subroutine, again control go back to 21 address. For example, okay, CR plus 1 to SBR. Okay, if the condition is equal to 1. If condition is equal to 0, is nothing but call is failed. Function is not called. Function is not called. Call is failed. Call is failed is nothing but control goes in the sequence. Control goes in the sequence. Is nothing but CR plus 1 to CAR. Next combination 10. 10 is nothing but return. Return from subroutine. Whenever the subroutine is returned, the return address is restore the return address. The return address of the subroutine is available in the SBR. So SBR to CAR. So return from subroutine. Next, the last combination is 1-1, mapping process. Mapping process. What is mapping process? We have seen in the last session. Translating instruction code bits into an address in the control memory where the corresponding microprogram is located. So what are the operations are involved to perform a mapping process? The DR of 11 to 14. What is DR of 11 to 14? Opcode bits. In this computer, after reading the instruction, it is available in the DR register. DR data register. In this computer, there is no IR. Okay. DR register 11, 12, 13, 14. These 4 bits are opcode bits of the instruction. These opcode bits are copied to CR of 2, 3, 4, 5. Second bit to third bit to 14. That means 11th bit copy to second bit of CR, 12th bit of DR copy to third bit of the DR, and 13th bit of DR to 4th bit of CR, and 14th bit of DR to 5th bit of CR, comma, at the same time, CR of 0th bit to 1th bit to and 6th bit set to 0. 0th bit to, that means rightmost 2 bits 0, 1. 0th bit to and first bit set to 0, and leftmost bit 6th bit also set to 0. That's about the definition of branch field. So far, we have seen what is the micro instruction format and the definition of F1 field, definition of F2 field and F3 field, and conditional field, branch field. Now we'll see symbolic micro instruction format. Symbolic micro instruction format, and also we'll see how to write symbolic micro programs. Okay, here in symbolic micro programs we are using symbols. Using symbols we can construct a symbolic micro program, just like assembly programming language. Okay, this is symbolic micro programs. Okay, these symbolic micro programs cannot understand by the system. These symbolic micro programs must be converted into binary micro programs by microprogram assembler. Is it clear? So each micro instruction, each symbolic micro instruction format has 5 fields. What are the 5 fields? Label field, micro operation fields, condition field, branch field, address field. Here my label field, first one is label field. The label field specifies the, it may be empty or it may specify a symbolic address. Okay, it may be empty or it may be specify the symbolic address, and a label field must terminate with a colon. Okay, terminate with a colon. And coming to next micro operation field consisting of 1, 2 or maximum which contains micro operation field maximum which contains 3 symbols. One for F1, one for F2, one for F3, maximum 3. Okay, consists of 1, 2 or 3 symbols to specified by commas. 3 symbols are separated by commas. Okay, and condition field. Next field is condition field. One of the symbols we have seen in the previous session, previous slide. Condition field U, UI, UISZ. These symbols are used in a condition field. One of the symbol either U or I or S or Z. Okay, one of the symbol U, I, S, Z are used in the condition field. Coming to branch field, what are the symbols? Jump, 0, 0 jump, 0, 1 call, 1, 0 return, 1, 1 map. One of the 4 symbol is used in the micro instruction. And finally, address field, one of the symbol. it may be empty. Address field, it may be empty, or it may be next symbol, or it may be symbolic address, any symbolic address. That's about symbolic micro instruction. Symbolic micro instruction contains 5 fields: label field, micro operation field, condition field, branch field, address field. Next we'll see one example, fetch micro program. Fetch micro program. Okay, so here what is fetch? Fetch means read the instruction from the memory. Read the instruction from the memory. So to read the instruction from the memory, a sequence of micro operations are involved. Those sequence of micro operations are initiated by fetch micro program. Here, listen here. These are the sequence of micro operations are involved to read the instruction from the main memory. To initiate these micro operations, who will initiate? To initiate these micro operations, fetch micro program must be available in the control memory. So fetch micro program, this is the fetch symbolic micro program. This is the fetch symbolic, sorry, this is the corresponding binary micro program. Okay, this is symbolic micro program. It is a binary micro program. Okay, is it clear? So now we'll see how to write fetch micro program using symbols. Okay, first we'll see what is the operation at time t0. The PC content is moving to AR, PC to AR, PC to AR. Here ORG in the symbolic micro program, ORG64 is nothing but the starting address of the fetch micro program in control memory is 64. Okay, 64. The starting address of the starting micro instruction address is 64. Okay, so fetch is the symbol, the symbolic address which indicates 64. Fetch is the symbolic address. Which is the symbolic address. We discussed what are the different fields in the symbolic micro instruction. Label field. Label field, it may be empty or symbolic address. So in this example, in this instruction, is not empty. Symbolic address. Fetch is the symbolic address, which is it is equal to 64 colon. Label must be terminated with colon followed by micro operation field. Micro operation field. What is the operation here? PC to AR. PC to AR. PC to AR is defined which field? F1 or F2 or F3? Check. Go to F1, F2, definition of F1, F2, F3. Okay. PC to AR. You see F1. In F1, 110 defines PC to AR. These symbols are used in symbolic microprogram. 110 is used in a binary microprogram. So PC to AR. That's why here PC to AR. Okay, this is the only one micro operation field. Only one micro operation field. Okay, next one coming to conditional field. Conditional field, what is the conditional here? U. U means unconditional branch. Always condition is equal to 1. Always is equal to 1. So jump. This is the branch. Branch field jump. Jump to what is this one? Next is address field. It is symbolic address. Next means the present micro instruction is 64. Address is 64. Next means 64 plus 1, 65. The address of the next micro instruction is 65. Okay. Then go to next one. 65. Here label field is empty. Label field is empty. And here what is the operation? This M of AR to DR, PC plus 1 to PC. Okay. So the M of AR to DR is nothing but read. Memory to data register DR, which was defined in which micro operation field, F1 or F2 or F3. And go to definition of F1, read M of AR to DR. F2. M of AR to DR is defined in F2 field. So F2 100 F2 field 100 defines read operation. So okay, read symbol. This read symbol is used in the symbolic micro program. That's why here read. Here read. This is read. Read. That means M of AR to DR, comma. One more operation. What is the one more operation? One more micro operation. One more micro operation. PC plus 1 to PC is nothing but increment PC. Increment PC. That is INC PC. INC PC. Okay. INC PC symbol which initiate PC plus 1 to PC. Increment PC. So that is available. Now check it. INC PC. INC PC is defined in F3. F3 in F3 101 combination defines which initiates PC plus 1 to PC. The symbol is INC PC. Okay. Next one. U conditional. This is the conditional field. Conditional field is U. U is nothing but unconditional branch. Unconditional branch. Always